This video is going to show how to run a KO event. The previous video shows how the event is started by clicking on the Start Event button. Let me describe this screen. We have 4 brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clicking on any of these buttons will change between the brackets. Remember when we created this KO, we specified a name and then the bracket, we went %lowercase d of %uppercase d. That's where the information shows here. On this screen, and this screen is current for when this version was ready, there may be some later changes underneath some of these menus or different layouts, but the process for running a KO is the same. Let's start with bracket number 1. Describe all these features, and then we'll go into each of these individual tabs in a separate screen. The status is the main page. It tells you information, quick information about the bracket. We have 13 teams. They're playing 24 boards around. It's a knockout, it's a regional. These fields we'll describe in more detail later. It's 4 rounds. The red just simply means that this event is not over. In other words, we have 0 rounds posted. And do we have all the names entered? No, we only have 13. The teams is where we're going to enter the player information. The scores, matches, rounds controls the information for when we are running the event. So we enter information for each individual round. There is an edit menu, various sub-menu items. We'll describe those in more detail in a different video. And we have a view screen. So similar concept, some fields are edited, some ones we just want to view. The leaders will print the leaders. Well, we don't have any leaders yet. We don't have any results. This is more for consistency with Swiss events, but the information is still there. There's some information we want to do on a per session basis. The word session is going to get confusing, but in this case, the word session refers to the all brackets. So perhaps brackets is a better term for that, but in a modeling conceptual standpoint, each of these brackets is a part of a session. The display is if we want to display information about the event. Normally this is only done in the pre-game, so these don't really apply. And then other is various other options. They'll be described in more detail in another